Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lydia, this is my dad, and today we are going to be showing you how to fix a dishwasher that won't drain. So stay with us.
Okay, so a few years ago when we moved into our new house, we got a new dishwasher, and every so often it will stop mid-cycle because the water can't drain out the bottom like it's supposed to. And so we want to show you a quick fix of how to recognize it, fix it, and put it back together very quickly. This should only take a few minutes at most. Okay, first step is you're gonna obviously open up the dishwasher. You're gonna pull out the bottom rack. We're just gonna pick it up and we're gonna set it up on the counter to get it out of the way. Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a light so hopefully y'all can see better by setting it like that. And then, are you zooming in? Cool. So what you do is when it's not draining, the water will pile up on the bottom. The water, as it drips off the dishes and all that, should end up down here in this kind of basin and should go into this filter and down, and then the machine will grab it and pump it to the garbage disposal and out the drain. But if this gets plugged, the water can't get out, and in order to prevent a flood or water leaking out onto your floor, the machine will just shut off prematurely. So the way to fix this is to take out the filter. You have to unlock it. You got to turn it counterclockwise or lefty, and then you'll tighten it back in later by going to the right side. So I'm going to turn it to the left like that, and then it just picks up. And what you'll notice is it gets caked with a bunch of gunk and just kind of some gross material there like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over to the sink. I'm going to turn on the sink, and I'm going to wash it off with this little nozzle here, like this. Okay, now that we got it over to the sink, you can see all the grime and just the garbage that builds up on it. Here's a clear spot what the screen should look like. So this is a screen that's getting caked up with debris. And so we're just gonna turn on the faucet, get our little sprayer, and you're gonna watch, we'll just clean this off and kind of clean that debris off in each one of these. And as we get that cleaned off, the screen will be more porous, obviously, and it will then work. So we're just gonna clean off this filter, get all the gunk off. So, there we go. And then what you'll notice, when I get all this done, is that it's basically all back to new. All right. We'll shut that off. So now all the gunk has been removed, the screen is clear, and we're gonna replace it back in the dishwasher. Okay, so that wraps up our how to fix a dishwasher that won't drain. As you can see, it was an easy fix, and we hope that it was easy to follow, and we hope that it will also save you money by being able to fix this yourself instead of calling in an appliance technician to fix that. With that, we're going to end the video with our Bible verse of the day. What did we choose for this one, Lydia?
We chose Habakkuk 1, verse 5. Look at the nations and watch and be utterly amazed, for I'm going to do something in your days that you will not believe, even if you are told.
That's a pretty awesome verse, kid. That's one of my top 5 favorite Bible verses of all time, just so you know. So, okay, what do we want to say?
Thank you for watching.
Thanks,
y'all.
We
hope you had fun. Bye. Lots of love.
Remember, everyone, if you have any questions, comments, or deep thoughts, put them in the comment section below. And remember to hit subscribe.